YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video. And in the last one, we made this super clean balanced UI. I really like it. You can see if we place it right here, it looks amazing for a game, anything you want. But in this one, we're going to make a battle pass UI like this one, as you can see. So we're going to have a progress bar. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Make sure you guys check out our store, gfxcomment.com. We now have studio imported products. Well, we have one, but we have a lot more coming soon. So yeah, just check it out. We have some free stuff, some UIs, graphics packs. Just check it out for yourself. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm just going to take the same little background we have here. If you haven't watched the latest video, go ahead and check it out. I'm going to place it right here in the corner. I'm going to hit Control T, and I'm going to enlarge it so it is the same size, as you can see. And now I'm going to just copy this part only, so I don't have anything else in my way. Alright, so like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the text here. Okay, so the font is called Montserrat and the font weight is bold, and right here we're just going to type, I don't know, season 3 battle pass. Right. Going to enlarge the size. And this is just going to go right here, as you can see. Alright, so now you see these little boxes. I'm going to make these for the timer to go on. So make a new layer, and I'm just going to zoom in. Alright, grab your rounded rectangle tool right here, and the radius is going to be, I think, 3. I'm going to hold Alt, click on this, so we select the color, and now we're just going to grab the shape like this right here, and just move this up. Make sure this is aligned. Okay, alright. This is going to go right here. Take the text and put the time. Change the font weight to medium if you want. And this will just go right here. We could center the text. Let's just go semi bold. Hold Control, click on, have both selected. We're gonna hit Control G to make a group, and I'm going to drag a ruler just have it exactly. Hold Alt. When you hold Alt and drag it, it will make a copy like that. Do 11. Make sure it is in the middle. That's the next one. 03, and we have 48 right here. Okay, so now take the text, move it down, type hours. Okay, I'm gonna resize it, the font size to 10, and I'm just gonna go right here. I'm going to grab the color, the same one. Alright, hours, place it right here. Minute, we have seconds, and we have day. Okay, so that's all good. And now I'm gonna take everything, move it up slightly, because now we're gonna add the progress bar. So how we're gonna make that is we're going to make a new layer. I'm gonna use the rounded rectangle tool again, and this time I'm gonna grab, give me a second, I want to grab this color specifically, so I'm gonna hold Alt, click on that, and in new layer we're just going to simply drag a shape all the way across like this. Okay, it's going to be your battle pass. Place it right here. Should be fine. Now we're gonna Control J to make a copy, and here you could either select the color here, or you could grab the gradients from the previous video. So right click, copy layer style, and if you just go right here, you go paste layer style. Alright, so actually I'm gonna do this instead. I'm just gonna keep it blue. Alright, so 1 right here. I'm gonna go for 2. Three, and so forth. You kind of get the point. Let's say they've unlocked up to 3, but they have not gone further. Here's what you're gonna do: 3. We're gonna go 4, except it is not unlocked, so it's not gonna be blue. It's going to be gray, and it's gonna be like this right here. As you can see, so 4, and this is going to keep going. 3, 4. Alright, so with this complete, we could take the same button that is right here, but the difference is, okay, if you own the battle pass, this should say view more, but if you don't have the battle pass, it should have the Robux, the price, and unlock button, right? So this is just going to say view, and you can add any images of your choice. So I just have a render here I'm gonna add, for example, like this. Actually, if you want to add a cool little background to the whole thing like this, I suppose you can, if you can make it look good like this. I think it looks pretty decent, actually, if you ask me. Alright, yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you make a Battle Pass UI design. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys next time.